going to show you how to enable or disable incoming calls on the rear display of a Xiaomi 17 Pro. So if you go into settings and then go to rear display and then go to manage rear display, you have the option to enable incoming calls or to disable them. So when you have them enabled or disabled, actually when you have them enabled, when you have an incoming call, when your phone is like this, it shows up in the lock screen, just like that. Okay, so if disabled, then even if you have an incoming call, it's not going to show up. So let me try and disable it. Rear display, manage rear display, and turn off calls. And then now when I get a call, you can see it doesn't show on the rear display. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.